From keeping your home's climate comfortable to ensuring properly working plumbing, HVAC and plumbing systems play crucial roles in maintaining your living space's functionality and comfort. Let's learn more.
Most homeowners are looking for the combination of the right price and the right amount of service to really match what their need is and solve their problem. We provide fully licensed technicians with a lot of experience. We've been around for 97 years because we're able to provide that right fit for what the customer needs in solving their problem. One of the things I think customers should look out for when choosing a home service provider is a lot of deals, discounts, and a technician that's particularly pushy. We pride ourselves on providing service technicians at a flat rate that allows us to really be focused on what the consumer and the homeowner needs. So if you feel like you're being sold something that you may or may not need, well, I would recommend that you get a second opinion. We provide a lot of second opinions and oftentimes find that that the homeowner doesn't need to make that change, and we're able to find a fix without some of the suggested options driven by a commission-based service technician from another organization.
We at BELELE in the plumbing division provide plumbing services, installs of fixtures, repairs of fixtures, installs of new gas lines, water lines, sewer lines, as well as drain cleaning. The value of calling BELELE Plumbing out is that we offer professional work with trained journeyman, licensed plumbers. And it's not just the work that we do in the home. If there's something that goes wrong, we will be back to take care of it. We have a wonderful warranty program.
HVAC systems offer year-round comfort. They provide winter heating and summer cooling, making your home's indoor temperature and air quality perfect for you and your family. But what happens when something goes wrong? Who do you call? And what expertise do they need?
Choosing the right equipment and efficiency of equipment is up to the customer. My job is to educate the homeowner as far as what their home can have, what it'll handle. We do a complete heat load analysis of the property so that we can see, hey, how big is the property? How high are the ceilings? Where are the windows? Where are the focal points? Where are the people? Are there fish tanks? Is there computer equipment that's overheating the property? Is there hot and cold spots? My job is to educate the homeowner and let them choose which one they like.
Replacing the filter every month is very beneficial to the system. With higher efficiency systems, we got what we call a secondary heat exchanger, and really whatever the filter doesn't catch, the secondary heat exchanger will. Keeps your blower rail pretty clean and your blower motor. Once those components start to get impacted with dust is really where we start to see failures within the mechanical system. Here at BELELE, we strive for a 5-star service, and we are flat rate pricing. So when our technicians come into the home, we have a little bit of time where we go through and actually give you a full evaluation of the system. We want to take a look at the furnace, and we want to take a look at the air conditioner itself. And when we give you a price, that's the price you're going to pay. We actually take pride in giving you solutions, not remedies. We make sure when we leave, you are 100% satisfied and happy with our service.
Whole home health can only be achieved when electrical safety is addressed. BELELE will make sure your electrical system can safely meet your home's need.
Some of the projects that we help our customers with is things as small as just home repairs, GFIs going out, and some of the as small as light bulbs. We also do a lot of large projects as far as going and doing a whole kitchen remodel to whole electrical service upgrades. And one of our most favorite right now is the new car charger installations for your new EV vehicle.
97 years and counting. BELELE Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical has seen and fixed it all.
BELELE has been serving the Denver metro area since 1926, and that 97-year history, I think, demonstrates the quality of technician we hire. Clearly, consumers find that the quality that they receive in their home and solving their problems is meeting their needs. We really want to build enduring relationships with the community and with our customer base in particular. And so our BELELE Perks Club membership provides a variety of different benefits, everything from cost savings to priority scheduling. The Perks Club is available to everyone, but we also gift that Perks Club membership to seniors, to veterans, first responders. We want to make sure that we're part of this community that's we've been so lucky to serve over the last 97 years.
To find out more about BELELE Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical, visit BELLEplumbing.com or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.